It's Friday, March 7th, 2025, and I'm Patrick. I'm a disabled investor. And today I am at 94,200 and change dollars. And that's a couple $100 less than I had yesterday. But the real shocker is it's about $11,000 less than I finished last Friday with. I only have myself to blame, of course, but external factors that have caused the change in my portfolio position have to do with tariff talks and the on again off again nature of tariffs against Canada and Mexico and looming trade war with the United States. So it is what it is. There's nothing I can do but sit back and take advantage of the volatility where possible. Today I did such a thing. I bought one long call option for ARM Holdings, which is a chip designer that is actually used by a lot of larger chip manufacturers to design chips. And I thought it was a good deal. I bought one call option that expires January 2027, so I do have some already that are way out of the money, and I'm not sure that I'm going to hit the strike on those. But this new one that I bought is for $130 strike price, which is only about $5 or $6 more than it's trading at today. And as I say, it expires in January 2027, so there's lots of time for the kinks to work out in the American psychodrama of the markets, and hopefully when the kinks are worked out, things will go back to stable, and we'll see some growth again. But who knows, right? Anyways, that's what I did today. No other trades. Didn't see anything that really caught my eye. So that's all I did. Again, the volatility that I'm experiencing, I know is because I'm overexposed to the chip sector, NVIDIA, and a lot of the high-tech names. But this seems to be the price you pay for explosive growth when it happens. So, I'm watching as things go, and keeping in the back of my mind that it will get better. So, hopefully I'm right. But I'm pretty confident that this too shall pass, Anyways, nothing else to say. It's been one of those days. Got out with the dogs, and that's a good thing. So, anyways, thanks for watching. Appreciate everybody subscribed. We're up to 224 subscribers now, which is pretty incredible for, watching a guy talk about his portfolio, disabled blind guy. But it is what it is. And so thank you for everybody who does watch. And I appreciate your comments. I read every one and try to respond quickly. Thanks again. Have a great day. Cheers.